Hey guys, it's Heather here and welcome back to my channel. Have you tried to grow astilbe? I know I have certainly tried numerous times and I have failed every single time, and it has everything to do with consistent moisture in the soil. I don't have it. I don't have drip irrigation, so anything that I plant in my garden has to get on with it after the first couple weeks of me watering it to get it acclimated. After that, it's on its own. So astilbe just doesn't cut it for me here. It's just too dry. But I have something that might be of interest to you if you struggle with the same situation and you want the look of astilbe, but you want something that's lower maintenance and something that's going to be successful in a drier situation. Let me show you. You might be familiar with my side yard garden. This is the newest part of my garden. Then this area to the other side is more established. This is what I want to talk about. This plant right there. This is Chantilly Lace Aruncus, or goat's beard, and it's covered in pollinators right now. It's early in the morning and the tiny little bees are on it, the little emerald green bees as well, and it has all the foliage. It has the foliage look of astilbe with really interesting flower plumes that are going strong right now. And then the flowers mature, they develop these brown seed heads that look nice in the fall and through the winter. I underestimated the size of this plant. This guy gets pretty big, and I underestimated how quickly my Tamukiyama Japanese maple would grow. So the maple is swallowing up my Aruncus. So after these flower, I'm gonna be moving these to another location because Chantilly Lace gets quite big, about 2.5 feet tall and about 3 to 4 feet wide per plant. So you wanna allow enough wiggle room for that to grow. The other thing worth mentioning is I don't have a drip system. I hand water everything, and I don't water anything after I get it established. So this has been in the ground probably about 4 years, and it's been completely on its own water-wise. And if you look above that eave there, it's super dry. So this is a dry zone. This whole area right here, about 3 to 4 feet out from the house, super dry area. And the Aruncus has done, I mean, it's just grown like gangbusters and done well on its own. So that is a plant worth keeping. It's easy, low maintenance, and does its job without any complaining, and I just can't say enough about it. And I definitely think it is one of the most underused plants for part shade. Well, depending on if you're living in the north, it can take a little more sun. Southern climates, you want to do shade to part shade. So, and it can take, if you've got a drip system where you don't mind watering, it can take more sun. I don't want to water, so this has an eastern location, so it gets morning sun, afternoon shade, and does great. So after it flowers, I'll be moving it, but I just wanted to show it to you just for something to consider if you've got some dry shade, maybe under a tree, which is where mine's going. It's going to go on the west side of a maple tree, another notoriously dry area, and we'll see how it does there. But this is Chantilly Lace Aruncus, or goat's beard, and definitely one worth giving a try if you're challenged by astilbe. All right, guys, if you liked the video, thumbs up would be great. Join in, follow. I'd love to have you along, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.